Hi guys, we are going on, well, I guess kind of a date night, huh?
We're just going out for some burgers.
Yeah, just a little get away from the kids for a little bit, left them at home, so we are going to enjoy our time together, and we are just going to Five Guys. We were gonna go to California Kitchen because I wanted to try their cauliflower pizza because I'm on keto, but I can only have like a quarter of a piece of pizza and I'll still be really hungry because I haven't ate all day and it's already almost 5 o'clock. So we are gonna go to Five Guys because I know their hamburgers are nice and greasy and filling, so right, babe? Right?
Oh, they're delicious.
They're so good. We recorded there for Donovan's 14th birthday. Took him there for the first time and he really liked it. And yeah, that's one of our favorite spots. Hi guys, we're at Five Guys. This is my hamburger. It's ginormous. I got lettuce wrap, pickles, mayo, mustard, mushrooms, and I think that's it. And Matthew got, that's Matthew's, it's humongous too. Can you see it?
Bigger than my head.
Hold it closer. Yeah, he got everything on it, so we'll see how this goes. And then he also got some Asian fries.
Asian fries.
It's windy.
French fries in the bag.
Here.
Oh, fries.
I guess we're kind of doing like a little mukbang kind of deal here. I don't eat those since I'm doing the keto diet. I did it for a long time, for a few months, and I lost, I don't know, like 30 or 40 pounds, and I really loved it. But then we were trying to conceive and I miscarried once doing the keto, and they told me not to do the keto anymore because I needed more carbs. And so I was eating pretty much anything, and I ended up getting pregnant again and then miscarrying again. So sorry if it's kind of loud, we're right by the busy street, but yeah.
It's a beautiful day here in Colorado. It's turning spring.
It's 60 degrees. It's really nice out though.
Yep. Beautiful.
Oh, I got bacon on mine too.
Yeah, we are.
I probably shouldn't have worn a white sweater. This is going to be very dangerous. How is it? I thought it would have 3 buns, or 3.
Just 2.
So this will probably be all I eat today because it's all my calories.
It's all my calories too.
I did have a coffee with heavy cream today. I don't know if you guys are interested in knowing more about the keto. Let me know in the comments and I'll be more than willing to do a video on it. I love it. He did it for a while too to lose some weight. How much did you lose? 20 pounds?
I lost 20 pounds. 20 pounds in like 3 weeks. But I'm highly active.
He's got a very, what is it, active, not active, but
I wouldn't say fast immune system, but
no, like your job. It's
I got busting work.
he works really hard. He moves all night and lifts a lot of heavy stuff. So he definitely gets a workout. I don't even know.
Very physical job.
Oh my god. Good stuff, guys.
But it pays well.
It pays really good. And he gets, or not he, but I don't work because several years ago I've had, well, my back, I've had a lot of issues since I was 16 when I got in a car accident. And when I was, well, gosh, 2011, I ended up having to quit working because of my back issues, and now I have a lot of nerve damage. So he tries to get me out on his days off. That's why, like, when he's off, we're running around, because other than that, I stay home because I've just hurt a lot. I really don't like being out of the house. But once I do get out of the house, I feel a lot better. It's just the initial getting out of the house that is hard for me. But he loves me too much, so he tries to make me feel better.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah. At one point I was in a wheelchair. If you guys want, yeah, for years. So if you guys want a video on that, I might just make one, but if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below.
It was definitely a struggle. But that's life. Series of struggles. And hamburgers. Cajun fries.
This is huge. This is like, it's dripping. The kiddos are at home playing video games. They don't mind being home because we don't bother them to do things. So they don't get interruptions from their video games.
Yeah, we make them do chores around the house to pay for the energy that they consume for their video game habit.
Yeah, they use a lot of energy. Well, because they're running 2 Xboxes.
And TVs.
And 2 pretty good sized flat screen TVs. So it's a lot. So in order for them to play their games, we have them go a few weeks or a few days out of the week to the rec center for a couple hours, and they also have to go to or do chores around the house. And they will be starting baseball. I keep saying softball, but baseball in 2 weeks too. So they'll be pretty busy. And yeah, and they're homeschooled, so they don't get, I mean, we try to get them out as much as possible, but we also need to spend quality time with each other as well. So we kind of try to find that balance.
Yeah, we do some adulting sometimes. Get away from it all.
Move you guys up a little bit.
Now you guys can hear us chewing.
If you can hear us over all these cars.
Yeah. Yeah, we're up by the Flatiron Mall. It's a very, very nice mall here in Colorado. Is the town called Flatiron, or is it Broomfield?
I think it's just Flatiron Crossing is what they call it. I think it's like a little town or just the area. It's in Broomfield.
Yeah, it's right before Boulder, Colorado. Home of the Colorado Buffaloes. And hippies. Pearl Street. I remember Pearl Street. We went there with her grandma. We took her to this chocolate shop. Oh man, she was so happy to be in that chocolate shop. You just see her eyes light up. I haven't been to Pearl Street in so long though, so I can only imagine.
Oh yeah, and she was short $1 because my grandpa had all the money. And Matthew had offered her $1 and she was like, oh no, like it was like the worst thing to get $1 from Matthew. It was so funny, but she loved her chocolate. Like, loved it. I love to eat. I can eat quite a bit for being a female, but it's weird because on the keto you have to really watch your calorie intake and your macros, and when I'm doing keto I don't get as hungry as I would normal, like eating just all kinds of crap. Most days I eat chicken. I love chicken. We eat a lot of chicken. A lot. And then
I like fish, but she doesn't like making food.
I can't stand fish and I don't like the way it smells, and he loves it. I need to buy some and just make him some because I feel bad.
I actually bought a pack one time.
Our freezer.
It just disappeared one day.
No, our freezer went out, and
the only thing that
it went
got
bad.
thrown away
So
was the fish.
no, sir, we ended up throwing a lot.
Everything was okay except the fish.
We're gonna have Matthew goes on vacation this Friday for a week. And then my dad's birthday's Saturday. His dad's birthday's on Sunday. So we are gonna be really busy this weekend. And on top of that, since Matthew's off, he's gonna be doing a lot of remodeling in the house. So we can hopefully knock some of it out and get the boys their rooms done. That's the goal anyway.
Hopefully by Christmas.
We're remodeling our whole entire house. Like, we're redoing the electrical, we added a half bath, we made a master suite, made the boys their rooms, we're redoing both bathrooms. So,
It's a lot.
yeah. You full?
Very full.
Huh?
Time for dessert.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know. Why did they even put that cup in there?
No, they never, they just dump it in there anyway.
I think they put it in the cup. And then they put the sweet. No, for a burger, Five Guys is a little pricey, but I'll tell you this, you won't leave hungry.
It's really filling. So good. I smashed the whole thing. I know. My dad doesn't like when you eat with your fingers like this.
So she does it when he's not around. That's all she does. She eats soup with her hands.
No, do not.
No, you better stop that. I'm gonna tell your dad.
Lies.
Spaghetti with her hands. She just
My sister is really bad with eating with her hands. Her fingers, oh my god. Way worse than me. Like, my dad has gotten mad at her so many times for eating with her fingers. Me, I just hide it when he's around. But alright guys, so we're done. We're gonna head over to the mall and just walk around a little bit. So, might record a little bit there, we'll see. Hi guys. We didn't take you into the mall, so sorry you guys didn't go in there with us, but I'll show you what my honey got me. Got me this angel, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, and she has like her little, the year on there. See it? I have Stitch from last year, and then he got me Gus. I love Gus. He's so cute. He's funny. Then we got this guy. What's his name again?
Snowball.
What's his name? I forgot. And he's so funny. From Frozen. I don't watch very many Disney cartoons. But anyways, he's so cool. He made me laugh, so I wanted him. And then I just got Chones. I'm not gonna show you that. Sorry guys, sorry. And then I just got a green tea unsweetened.
And I got the pretty much chocolate ice cream in coffee form.
It's called like the Frappuccino Mocha or something, right? But anyways, we just wanted to say, we were just gonna say bye, I guess.
Adios.
We are headed home and we're just gonna close out this little short vlog, mukbang.
Date night.
Yeah. That's, I guess that's pretty much what it's called.
Coffee buying experience.
Coffee buying experience, peanuts, and some plushies. Isn't that funny that kids call stuffed animals plushies now? They don't call them stuffed animals, because when I was growing up, maybe because I'm old, they were called stuffed animals. And now like a few years back, my little one, he was like, Mom, I want a plushie. I was like, what is a plushie? I had no idea what he was talking about. And it was a stuffed animal, so yeah.
I think the plushie is a certain type.
No.
It's not?
No. Because Because even on the signs in there, it said plushies for sale. So, I don't know. Maybe we're just getting old, I guess.
I need to up my stuffed animal game.
Right? Alright, we will talk to you guys later. Bye.